Do you want to have that glowy, fresh, clean girl makeup that is easy, affordable, and you could do it whenever you want? So let's get glowing with me. For a good makeup, you have to wash your face. It's a must in any kind of makeup, especially when you want to do a clean girl makeup, because when you wash your face, it's already clean. So that's why I have washed my face and I have prepared my face for a good clean makeup. Next recommendation I want to give you is to use a cube of ice, like this. Gently rub it onto your face to give your skin a healthy glow. We should let it dry by itself. If you let it dry by itself, you will have a natural glow in your face. I don't know guys if you could see this, but I can see it that it's glowing. And trust me, this is gonna work. I mean, even after when you're doing your skincare routine, use a cube of ice and you will see the magic result. So I want to hydrate my skin because, as you know, a hydrated skin is a happy skin, and we don't want to look like as we were living in a desert, right? So I'm going to use my hyaluronic acid serum before my makeup. I feel much better. So we're gonna start with our base. I know that I have been using this product a lot in my recent videos, but believe me, this is something that gives me the result I want, so I don't have any choice. I mean, I want to get that clean, natural look. I want to use something so much light and natural, and that is why I am using this for the 1,000th times. And just remember, a small amount would make it possible. You can blend it with your fingers, you could use a sponge, you could use a brush. It depends on you, but it's in a way easy to blend it that I want to use my hands. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of magic with concealer. We don't need much concealer because we want a natural clean girl makeup. So I will be applying it only in here and here. And I will use it for my blemishes. Wow. You can use a baby sponge to tap and blend the concealer. Start from the inner corner and move outward. Next step is to bronze, but we're just going to bronze a little because I just want to give some warmth to my face. I will be using this bronzer. That's enough. Now I will be applying a pink blush. I will be using this Studio Girl blush. I have been using this a lot as well because I love it. It gives me a natural look. I have no choice. Just a small amount on the apples of your cheeks, on the tip of my nose as well, a little bit on this part. I will be using this Revolution palette. This is amazing, affordable and easy to be used. And I'm going to use it as an eyeliner because I want to keep everything simple and natural. So I will be using this brown color for my eyes. I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner. Oh my god, what are you doing here? So where were we? Using this small brush, dab a thin line of eyeliner at the outer corner of your eyes and sweep outward. Remember to follow the natural shape of your eyes. Carefully line under the waterline of your eyes. Since I have eyelash extensions, I can choose not to apply mascara, but I want to give a little bit of lift to my eyelashes, so I will be applying mascara. For my eyebrows, I don't want to touch them a lot. I just want to feel the parts that are empty. I will be using the same Revolution palette, and this time I'm going to use this brown color. Fill in the gaps in your eyebrows for a fuller look. I will brush them as well. That's it. It's highlight time. I'm using highlighter on my nose, cheekbones, and chin. That's enough. Now we want to move to our lips. I need a brown powder pencil to overline my lips, but slightly. We want to keep everything totally natural and clean. Pay close attention. Outline your lips just beyond their natural edge, but keep the original shape. Just remember to control the pressure of your hand. Now I need a pink lip liner, and I want to overline my lips for the second time. Now add color to the inner corners of your lips and blend the color towards the center. Begin by using your fingers to blend the initial color on your lips. Then apply a red tint, making sure to cover your lips evenly. Follow this by adding a pink tint on top to create depth and vibrant finish. And this is the result of our layering technique. There you have it, a fresh, glowy, clean girl makeup. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to support me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!